just unboxed the Shockworks coilovers and boy do they look good. Check this out. They sent me 2 sets of springs for the rear. I'm pretty sure we've got 4 kilo ones on there now and these are 5 kilo. And these are the front shocks down here. It looks like the front coilovers have the adjuster on the base, whereas the rear coilovers still have them in the standing position on top. The coilovers, record time. I reckon that was about 10 minutes. Had my mate Landon helping out. Look at that dirty Mo. Dirty Mo. She's looking beautiful. On to the back end. That's the reason why, Lando.
Much easier with that window out.
Bolts are right there.
Yep. Let's get to it.
How long did that take, Landon?
Not long. 42 minutes.
I was going to say 23.
42.
We didn't adjust the coilovers at all, just lowered it onto the ground.
Yep.
I think it needs some adjusting. It's good to get a base. Oh, the front looks good.
Lucky that's the bad guy.
It's not even touching.
Go down a tiny bit more. I don't want to break the other.
Plenty of room.
A little bit more?
Yeah. Yeah. She's tucked.
Okay.
Next step is on to the aligner with Cale Scott at Scott's Tires.